case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The United States Bankruptcy Court for the District of Arizona presided over a riveting case in 1995, known as Johns v. Johns, in re Johns. The case revolved around the pivotal question: can a trustee who fraudulently uses or embezzles money from an account be sued and held liable for damages? The answer, according to 11 U.S.C. Section 523A.4, is an emphatic yes. The drama unfolded when the defendant, mired in debt, was accused of deliberately draining funds from accounts established for the plaintiff's son. Shockingly, the money was not used for the intended beneficiary, but instead diverted towards personal expenses and debts. The defendant, attempting to justify his actions, testified that the funds were employed to stave off looming financial ruin. Was this a cunning abuse of fiduciary duty or merely an act of financial survival? The court was tasked to pledge its judgment about whether the defendant's use of funds amounted to fraud, breach of duty, or defalcation. With various documents presented and a trial offering evidence, the court arrived at its conclusion. The defendant, acting in a fiduciary position, had indeed dissipated all the money meant for the plaintiff's son. The court found him in breach of his fiduciary duties and guilty of defalcation, a term ridden with ambiguity due to conflicting rulings from the Bankruptcy Appellate Panel and the Ninth Circuit. The long arm of justice extended towards the defendant. The court ruled that the plaintiff was entitled to damages on the grounds of bad faith in line with 11 U.S.C. Section 523A.4. Noteworthy, however, was that the plaintiff was asked to provide an accounting of an appropriate interest rate to be applied to the extracted funds. As of July 1993, a calculation awaited and a separate hearing was appointed to determine the final payout. The verdict was clear: cross paths with the fiduciary duty and the law will always catch you.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.